Hello, hi everyone. So in this video, we'll learn how to draw a epicycloid by using Autocad software. So before going to start drawing, first you need to give the units. The units. So always it is in decimal, precision in 0 0.0, and OK. After that, limits. Enter, zoom, enter, A, enter, and this I want to copy the question. So this is a question. Draw an epicycloid of circle of diameter 50 mm which rolls outside of a circle of diameter 150 mm for one revolution. Also draw a normal and tangent to the curve at a point of 135 mm from the center of the directing circle. So we are having two diameters, that is of circle. This is called generating circle diameter, that is 50 mm, and circle of diameter 180 mm. This is called directing circle. So first take any point on the screen. First go to circle command, anywhere on the curve, click on anywhere on the curve, and give the diameter as 180, means we have to give 90 mm radius. Enter. So it is working. Let's delete this. It is coming very big. Now use circle command, click in this 90 mm radius, then L enter, locate its center point, L enter. So we'll find its center, and through this point draw a quadrant anywhere on the circle. Escape. Now I want to extend this line such a way that I want to extend this line such a way that the length of the line should be equals to radius of the smaller circle, that means 25 mm. Now I'll enter, through this point extend this line at a distance of 25 mm. Enter. Escape. Now this point is the center, this has the radius 25 mm radius. Construct one more circle. C, enter. This point is center point, this is radius. I have constructed one more circle, right? Now divide this circle into 8 number of equal parts. Same, use polar array, like array, AR, enter. Select this object, enter. Select polar, center point, this is a center point, and change that to 8. Enter. So we have divided circle into 8 number of equal parts. Escape. Now give the names 1 2 3 4 5, like that. So I'm going to text command, single text, This is O. First starting point is O. 3, make it as 3 height. Enter. Rotation angle always 0. Enter. Give this as O. This is P. This is C. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this is also similar to this cycloid process, in that the circle is rolling along the straight line path. So in this case, the circle is rolling over the another circle. So in that case, we have drawn horizontal line from each and every point on the circle. So in this case also, we have to draw circles through each and every points, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for that, I am using offset command. O, enter. So we don't have specific distance, so that's why I am going with through command, through option. Click on through, then select objects to offset. So click on this object. So I want number of like 1 2 3 4 number of circles. So I want multiple amount of circles, that's why I'm clicking on multiple. Then click the radius. I'm clicking for this 7, 6, and we have to draw from center also through 5, 4. When you're drawing circle through 5, and that should touch 3. When you're drawing circle from 6, that should passes to the point 2. When you're drawing circle from 7, that should touch 1. So like that you have to draw. So after drawing this, escape. Okay, so these are the concentric circles which are drawing from the same center. Now how much angle it should be traveled for one complete revolution? In the previous case, we have calculated the distance traveled by this circle is 2 pi r. So in this case also, text, single text, and click anywhere here, height 3, rotation angle 0, enter. Now text is, so here we have a formula for that, 360 into small r by capital R, small r, that is capital small r by capital R. This is the formula. Enter. So 360 into smaller value is 25 by 90. 25, wait a second, I'll calculate. 360 calculate. 360 into smaller is 25 by 90 is 100. So we'll get 100. Okay, enter, escape. So the theta value is 100 here. So here what I am doing is, I want to rotate this line at an angle of 100 degrees. So if you give 100 degrees, it will take in the anti-clockwise direction. So in order to get, so for example, the circle is moving in the clockwise direction. means I want to get the line in the clockwise direction. So if I give 100 degrees, then it will take in the direction of anti-clockwise. So that's why I am giving total include angle for circle is 360 degrees. So from the 360 degrees, I have to subtract this amount, that is 360 minus 100 will give the this angle. So rotate, I am using rotate option, enter, select this line, enter, enter, base point, this is a base point, enter, copy, copy, and I have to give 260 degrees, then only it will take in the clockwise direction, right? Now extend this line up to here, up to this outer circle. So EX double enter. So same process should be carried out for hypocycloid also. So the thing is, we have to draw this circle, generating circle, inside this outer circle, inside this first circle. That is only the difference. So now remove all these circles except the central line as well as base circle, central circle as well as base circle. Now escape, TR double enter, trim this outer one, trim this also, and which one is the circle center, trim this, trim this, and no need to keep here, this also delete. Okay, now so I want to divide this angle into same number of equal parts, that we have divided circle into 8 number of equal parts. Likewise we have to divide this angle into 8 number of equal parts. Div, enter, select object, this select this object. So sorry, the complete object is selecting here. Escape. For that, first trim double enter, then select this also. Now escape, div, enter, select this line, enter number of segments, C8, enter. You don't see the divisions, point style, select, and 3, okay. So we have divided into 8 number of equal parts. Now give the names as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So before that we have to draw lines through 4. Each and every line should passes to these points. So for that I am using array command, array, enter, select object, select this line, enter, array type, select path. So now it is path, select path, select this path curve. Now it will show one blue color object. It is not coming. Escape. Same thing. Array AR, enter. Select this object. I am selecting this line. Enter. Path. Select this path curve. Now it is coming. So drag this circle, drag this arrow mark, drag that arrow mark up to here, then click, now. So this is divided into 8 number of equal parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now extend these lines up to the central locus of the central arc, up to this locus of the central arc, like extend this line up to here, extend this line up to here, extend this line up to here, like EX double enter. Now I'm extending this line, No, it is not moving. Array, it is in the array command, that's why it is not extending. Ex, double enter. Okay, use stretch or stretch. If you stretch this, no, do one thing, use line command, extend the same direction, escape, escape. Extend all these lines. Otherwise, do one thing, draw the continuous line from O to C, then select the complete line, then drag it. You'll get the line from here to here. Like that you have to do. If you do like that, then you'll get line up to here, up to center line. Okay, now go to text, single text, enter, sorry, escape, text, single text, click over here, and it is showing 11.6, but I want only 3. Enter, rotation angle 0. This is 1 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, and 8 dash. And this is C1, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, and C8. Okay, now enter, escape. Same thing we have to do whatever we have done in the cycloid concept. Same, follow the same procedure. C1 as center, go to circle, C1 as center, 25 mm radius, construct one circle. So that circle will intersect the first arc at this point. Go to PO, enter, get a point. Now move the circle center from C1 to C2. Second, where is the second line? So here it is, this is the second, this is center line. Second, this is second line. Same PO, click on the circle, change its center from C2 to C3. Now it is intersecting here. PO, click on the circle, circle center from C3 to C4. Now intersection point, it is intersecting here. Click on the circle, C4 to C5, it is intersecting here. C5 to C6, it is intersecting here. C6 to C7, it is intersecting this line, this point. C7 to C8, it is intersecting at this point. Okay, now delete this circle, join all the points in sequence by spline SPL. This is first point SPL, first point, second point, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. You got one extra, no? No. Enter. Now I want to draw normal and tangent to this one. So that is of 135 mm from the center. Okay, center. Now I am taking circle command and see I am using a different color. C as center, radius equals to 135. 135. Enter. Now it is cutting the epicycloid at this point. Epicycloid at this point. I am choosing different color so that it will right. Choosing it is cutting here. So PO, use PO command. Enter. It is intersecting over here. Point. I located a point P. So from that point, again same. C circle, use circle command.